back string. So for the back string, I always make it double. So I'm gonna use both sides of my yarn. I take one from the inside of the ball and the other one from the side bit. And I get like 2 strings of it. And then I'm going to leave like around 50 centimeters, 40 centimeters of yarn at the beginning, so I can make my tassel at the end. And I'm gonna start making chains. They can be very loose, it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna make 150 chains for a small, 160 for a medium, 170 for a large. So at the end of your 150 chains, you're gonna leave the same amount of yarn, around 50 centimeters, to make your other tassel. And put your bead through one of the strings all the way to your crochet here, and then pull the other string out. Leave that there for now, and then you're gonna put your hook through the last chain here, and you're gonna pull the yarn through a few times. One. I normally do 4 times. 2, 3, and 4 times. Then you're gonna put one string down with the others, and this string here you are going to wrap around your tassel like 5 or 6 times. Then with your, I prefer to use a smaller hook, like a number 4 or something, but I'm gonna do with this one, and pull it through here, and you have your tassel here. Now I cut it, last one here, put them all together and cut them uniformly. Now you make a knot here, pull that down, and that's your final tassel. Repeat the same thing on the other side, and then you're gonna pass this string through these 2 little, this hole one side and on the other side, and your top is ready to go to the beach. So this is the finished bikini. You can see the little, how perfect